Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa and today you are going to see only my eyes. I was very inspired to create for you guys this amazing glamorous makeup look but without glitter, so I really hope that you like it. And for today's look I'm gonna use the Naked Tree palette. If you don't have this palette, you can just use similar colors that you have at home. So now let's get started. To create this makeup look, the first thing I'm gonna do is apply a eyeshadow base and also this little protection in the other corner of my eyes. This is very good to catch any fallouts and also to help me to create the shape of this makeup look. And the eyeshadow base that I'm gonna use today is Blank Canvas by P.Louise. I'm gonna apply all over the eyelid. For today's makeup look, I'm gonna use the Naked Tree palette by Decay. I really love this palette so much because it's very pigmented, it's beautiful, and the range of colors is amazing. So I'm gonna begin using the color Strange below my brows to highlight a little bit. To create this makeup look, I'm gonna use the medium angled brush, and this is in my favorite brush set with Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna link down below for you guys in case you're interested to see. I really love these brushes so much. Next, using a smaller fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply the shade Limit in my crease, and this will be my transition shade. Today I'm using the detail blending to use this eyeshadow. I'm gonna focus in my crease and I'm gonna bring this eyeshadow to the outer corner with circular motions. Now, using a small tapered blending brush, I'm gonna apply the shade Nooner in my crease as well, and also I'm gonna bring it out to my crease. No, to my outer corner. What is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply in the inner corner as well. And now in the other corner of my eyes and also in the lower lash line, just to create more drama in this makeup look, I'm going to be applying a gel liner, and this is by Inglot. I'm going to apply this gel liner with a shader brush. Next, I'm gonna go back to the shade Nooner just to diffuse the edges of this gel liner in the outer corner and also in the inner corner. Now I'm going to be using the eyeshadow Blackout, which is very black and very pigmented by Urban Decay as well. This is one of the blackest eyeshadows ever. I'm going to be applying with a shader brush just to set the gel liner in the outer corner. So now that I finished to blend everything in my crease, I'm gonna use the shade Dust. So I'm gonna be applying all over the eyelid and also in the tear duct area. This is a very beautiful pink shimmery shade and I really like it, and it's also very pigmented, so I'm gonna be adding the product a little at a time using a bigger shader brush. I just add a little more of the eyeshadow base in the tear duct area, and now I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadow right on top. In the lower lash line, I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadow that I used in my crease, and this is the shade Nooner. And I'm gonna apply this shade using a firm, short shader brush. And to conclude this eyeshadow, I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer in the other corner of my eyes just to clean up this little mess that my protection made, and I'm gonna blend it out. And this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. I hope that you like it. This is a very glamorous makeup look and I really love it. I really like this effect and I hope that you like it too. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and like this video if you did. This is really important for me. Also, all the information will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to comment what you think about this makeup look and also what you're gonna see next here in my channel, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!